Hello everyone. Hope everyone is doing fine. A very warm welcome to our English class. So in our last class students, we saw that Revati was fond of music and she used to play violin in her free time. One day she decided to enter in the best plant contest and she started taking care of her plant. But she noticed that whenever she used to play her favorite raga, Manmohan, the plants would dance and they would bend towards her whenever she used to play that raga. She didn't tell this secret to anyone and thought of keeping it to herself. She didn't even share it with her mother. Just a few days before the competition, Revati saw the progress in her plants. They were greener, they were healthier, and they had flowers as well. That night, she went to bed thinking that she'll win the first prize in the competition. But when she woke up in the morning and went to the courtyard to check on her plants, to her surprise, the plant wasn't there. She was so sad that she decided not to go for the competition. But Revati's friends didn't let her down. They decided to take her to the competition, and Revati got convinced and went to the competition. To her surprise, when she reached there, she saw her plant, but with a different pot. She was so sad and surprised to see it that she tried to convince the organizers that it was her plant. But the organizers were not convinced, as Revati had never taken part in such a competition and she was a newcomer. Today, we'll see how she convinced the organizers that the plant was Revati's plant and how and what happened in the end. She felt very dejected but was determined to win her plants back. She sat near her plants with her violin and slowly started playing her favorite raga. Engrossed in her music, Revati even forgot her plans for a time. But the others could not. With wonder in their eyes, they watched the plants. Straight at first, they bent slightly. As she played on and on, the stems bent towards Revati as though they wanted to touch her. In their happiness, the organizers were stunned. They had watched a new phenomenon of plants responding to music, and Revati had become a great discoverer. So, what happened is Revati went home and she brought her violin to prove to the organizers that the plant were hers. And when she started playing her favorite raga, the Manmohan, the plant started reacting. They wanted to touch, it felt like they wanted to touch Revati in the happiness that she was playing the raga. And by seeing all this, everyone was stunned. Everyone was surprised, even the organizers. They never had seen something like this. But Revati had no clue about this. As she was playing her favorite raga, she forgot about her plans at that time. So, students, now I give you all time to read the paragraph in front of you, or you can open your textbook and read this paragraph in your mind. You can pause this video and play when you're done. Great. Hope everyone is done reading. Now, I have a question for you all. How did the plants react when Revati started playing the violin? I want you all to pause the video and write down the answer in your notebook. That's correct. The plants were happy and it felt like the plants wanted to touch Revati when she was playing the violin. So, students, we all saw how the plants reacted when Revati was playing the favorite raga. But was this all possible without Revati quickly thinking that she needs to get the violin and prove that the plants were hers? It wasn't possible, right? In this situation, in such a difficult situation, Revati stayed calm and she quickly thought what she needs to do. So, in the same manner, students, even when we face some difficult situations like this, we should not run away from the problems. We should be determined to solve them and we should think something that will solve the problem. Now, let's see the new word that we learned today and its meaning. Dejected. The meaning of the word is sad or disappointed. He put his phone down and felt quite dejected. Isn't it? Even we saw when Revati was dejected when she did not find the plant. Now, I want you all to pause this video and frame a sentence with the word dejected in it. You can pause this video and write down the answer or write down the sentence in your notebook. I hope everyone has written the answer in their notebook. Let's carry on. They all applauded and said they were convinced that the plants were hers. They pulled the neighbor up for cheating them, and she accepted, after a long argument, that she had stolen Revati's plants. She said, while walking past Revati's house, she had spotted the plants and had removed the pot in the night to her house and submitted it later for the contest. As she was regular participant, no one doubted her. The authorities decided that Revati's plants deserved the first prize as they were the best looking and healthy. Revati carried home the prize proudly with a pot of plants. So, once Revati proved that the plants were hers with the musical raga, everyone applauded for her. Everyone was happy and everyone was sure that the plants were her. And what the authorities did is they pulled out the neighbor who stole the plant and changed the pot of the plant so that she could win. But with this, she argued a lot and she thought that she was a regular contestant every year, so no one would doubt her. And students, even we should not do this. We should always be truthful to everyone around us. Because, as we can see here, the neighbor who was not truthful, who stole the plant, did not win the prize. And Revati, who was truthful, won the prize and carried home the prize proudly. We all saw how everyone in the competition applauded for Revati. I want you all to tell me the meaning of the word applauded. That's correct. Applauded means to praise someone through clapping. And over here, I have a very short video to show you what applauded means. That's how everyone applauded, how everyone praised Revati when she proved that the plant were hers. I want you all to make a sentence with the word applaud in it. We all saw what applaud means. So pause this video and write the sentence in your notebook. So students, we saw how Revati was determined to prove that the plant were hers and she was successful in doing so. With this, we come to an end to the chapter. But before we go, I want you all to answer a few questions. How did Revati prove the ownership of her plants? That's correct. She played the violin in front of her plants and the plants reacted to the music. Who cheated the organizers in the best plant competition? That's correct. Revati's neighbor cheated the organizers in the best plant competition. And what did the authorities decide in regards to Revati's plant? That's correct. The Revati got the first prize because her plants were healthier and greener. And the last activity for you all is to solve this Google form. I've mentioned the link in the description box below. You can click on that link and submit the form. But the class does not get over without a homework. I have a homework and I want you all to please solve it. Why did no one suspect that the neighbor had stolen the plants? Why had no one suspected that the neighbor had stolen the plants? With this, our class gets over. I hope you all had a great time with me and thank you so much for joining the class today.